Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to see sterilization control for moist heat sterilization. For determining the efficacy of moist heat sterilization, spores of Bacillus Thermophilus are used as the test organism. This is a thermophilic organism with an optimum growth temperature of 55 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, and its spores require an exposure of 12 minutes at 121 degrees Celsius to be killed. Paper strips impregnated with 10 to the power of 6 spores are dried at room temperature and placed in paper envelopes. These envelopes are inserted in different parts of a load, and after being sterilized, the strips are inoculated into a suitable recovering medium and incubated for sterility test at 55 degrees Celsius for 5 days. Chemical indicators, autoclave tapes and thermocouples are also used instead. Autoclave tape. Autoclave tape is an adhesive tape with heat-sensitive chemical indicator markings used in autoclaving to indicate whether a specific temperature has been reached. When the temperature of 121 degrees Celsius has been achieved within the autoclave, tape indicators change color or display diagonal stripes. Tape indicators are not designed to prove that organisms have actually been killed. It indicates that the temperature of 121 degrees Celsius has been achieved within the autoclave. Finally, we are going to see about thermocouples. As temperature is one of the important factors for sterilization, thermocouples are used to monitor temperature. Autoclave thermocouples are designed to withstand the high pressure and high temperature environment of an autoclave. I am concluding this video here and see you soon in my next video. Thank you friends.